Hi everyone. I just wanted to do a quick demo. I actually made a lot of progress in this project. It's pretty much, today's demo is really similar to the demo I had last week for you, except I took it a step further. So what you're seeing right now is pretty much what you saw last week. You know, we have the C2000 Launchpad right here, and this is the wireless module. And I have the servo here still. But if you look here, now the motor controller is also integrated into the system. I had demoed the motor controller to you guys about a month ago, but I couldn't make a cool demo because at the time I didn't have a motor. But good news, today, right now, I have a motor hooked up to this motor controller. This is a pretty beefy motor. It's pretty big, and so, in a second I'll be able to show you what this baby can do. I still have those two LEDs here hooked up. The demo 1 month ago, the demo I did with this motor controller, I was only able to show you the LEDs lighting up. I wasn't even able to demo the PWM capabilities of this motor controller, but now that this is fully interfaced with the C2000, I'll be able to show you both the motor driving capability and the PWM capability. So this is the perfect demo. I really think you'll like it. As usual, on the other end of my table I have my remote controller, the wireless module right here. It's just kind of hanging down there, can't see it. As always, this is the MSP430 Launchpad. You're really familiar with it. And this is still the same thumb joystick right here. And actually, while it's in the frame here, I bought another servo right here. It's not interfaced yet. I tried this earlier. It works. This is a much bigger servo. Just put it next to the other one. If you look here, you can see it's much bigger, and it draws a lot more current, to the point that my laptop can't supply enough current. Even my phone charger can't supply enough current. So, but the good thing is it's a really, really fast reacting servo, so this definitely does give a better reaction, and this is what's going to go in the final product. So, but just for demoing purposes, I'm gonna keep the smaller servo, since I can use my laptop to power it. But let me see if there's anything else I should tell you. I think we're good to go for the demo. As always, right to left action on the servo, as you can see. Yep. But now, on top of that, check this out. Again, you can see the LEDs lighting up. You can hear the motor. I don't know if there's actually tape. I have tape on the end of that shaft, but you can't really see it. But there you go. So it's spinning forward. We got the green LED. And I just have the thumb joystick sort of tilted forward, so I'm just going to let go now. So there it is. Yeah, there's a lot of torque, so that's why it moves around like that. But yeah, now the LED is off. Now I'm going to tilt this backwards, and you're going to see there you go, the red LED is on, because the current's flowing in the other direction, and the motor is spinning in the other direction also. At the same time, while the motor is on, I can, of course, turn the servo like this. Yep, it's working perfectly, as you can see. And now let me show you the PWM capability. So what I mean by PWM is I'm talking about the ability to vary the speed of the motor. So just listen to it. I think that's your best bet. So I'm just going to slowly tilt this forward. So there you go. Look at that. It's pretty slow, and as I tilt it forward more, of course it speeds up. You can kind of see the LED dim also. And then let's do that in the other direction now. Again, now the red LED is on. So there's that. That works perfectly. We still have the servo also working really, really well. Hopefully I tried out the other servo. Like I said, it's much better, trust me. So that'll go in the car. Lastly, I want to demonstrate the braking capabilities of this motor controller. So basically what braking does is it shorts the H-bridge transistors up here, right here. They actually short the terminals of this DC motor, which gets rid of all the momentum. So this literally just locks up right away, you know, creating some sort of a braking effect. And that's achieved by me sort of clicking in on the joystick. So I'll just show you in a second. So right now I have some throttle. The moment I press in the joystick, it's going to just lock up, as you can see. And because of the torque, you know, it spins, the whole motor itself spins like that. As soon as I let go, because I still have some throttle applied, but because of the brake, it's not applying any current to the motor. As soon as I let go to brake, it's going to start spinning again. So there you go. Again, this will be more violent. This is running at full speed right now, as you can see. Yep. And let me just show that in the other direction right now. Now it's running backwards. There it goes. So that's working perfectly, as you can see. So here's a fully functional motor controller capable of supplying more current than this guy could ever need. So this is my current setup. It's growing as days go by, but the project is going really well. Thanks for watching, guys.